Check it out, guys. PJ2ND. He's peaking at over S9 at times. I'm going to try to work him. I've got everything set up for 100 milliwatts output. Let's see if I can do it. Sneak behind you here. Try not to hit the tripod. I'll probably start by trying to send QRPP to get his attention. We'll see. Oh, he's not very strong right now. Hang on. There we go. Oh. Oh my God. There we go. Hey guys, I pause you. This is crazy. PJ2ND in Krakow. I always have a trouble with that word. Krakow. Yeah. How many times did I have to transmit before I worked them at 100 milliwatts? Distance 2,302 miles, 2,300 miles. At 100 milliwatts, that's 23,000 miles per watt. Not bad. Not bad. I do enjoy running QRP. I do believe it's time I earned my channel name. I've done a lot of bullshitting. I've talked a lot about bullshit that has nothing to do with QRP. But it's who I am. It's what I do. QRPCW is my girlfriend. It's my lover. It's my queen. That's right. QRPCW is my queen. I hope you're well. I'll talk to you later. Hard not to gloat. It's pretty damn hard not to gloat. Hang on. I know. Hang on. Hey, Scout. Hey, Scout. Check it out. Daddy did it. Yeah, Daddy did it. Daddy worked some DX for the 100 milliwatts. Hey, Scout. Daddy kicks ass with QRP. Yeah, Daddy kicks ass. So does the Michigan Cacti. Michigan Cacti kicks ass too, Scout. Let's go make a movie. I'll talk to you later, guys. Bye now.